So we have the sine, now just to remind you, sine to the third power x is a mathematician way of writing sine x cubed. Okay? It basically is saving us from having to put big brackets around the sine function to the third power by writing it just sine cubed x cosine of x. Okay? So again, now we have the product rule because we have two functions going here. So I have u sine x cubed v cosine x. And so I think about the derivative of u is 3 times, bring the power down, sine x cubed. And this actually is, in a way, the chain rule as well, because it's really that I put sine of x inside the cube function. So I do the sine, or the derivative of the third power. Sorry, that should be 3 with 2. And now the derivative of the function inside, which is cosine of x. The bottom one, much nicer. V is cosine of x, so the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x. Now that I've got the 4 parts of the chain rule, or the product rule, I'm ready to come back here and say that dy dx is leave the first, multiply by the derivative of the second, and the derivative of the second is negative sine x, plus leave the second, multiply it with the derivative of the first, which is much longer, and I'm going to write that squared back in, and I have that, sorry, I'm checking comments. Alright, now this, if you think about it, you have sine cubed times sine x. So this can simplify. That it's really, first the negative, sine to the 4th power. Because we have sine to the 3rd power times another sine. Sine to the 4th power plus 3 cosine x times cosine x. We can say that cosine x squared sine squared x. So in this case, there is some simplifying that can be done. But, yeah, again, trying to ramp things up a little bit. This third example uses the product rule, so you're having to do a little bit more work, especially when looking at the derivative of sine to the 3rd power. You have to again think of that as chain rule. Sorry, I don't know why. I have an issue there. It's the chain rule here, so you have to think that through and then put all the pieces together.